If you find yourself constantly searching, "Why is my face dry and red after showering?" or secretly wondering, "Does towel drying cause wrinkles and razor bumps?" you are not alone, and you need to hear this. You buy expensive ceramide creams and hyaluronic acid for skin barrier repair, but the problem never goes away. It's not your fault. I see so many people filming their aesthetic morning routine, stepping out of the shower or finishing their post-workout routine, grabbing a heavy bath towel, and aggressively rubbing their face up and down. You might think this hardcore habit saves time, or even acts as a quick exfoliation. But this aggressive wash-and-dry culture is hiding a brutal physical truth. All your anti-aging efforts are being destroyed by your own hands in exactly 10 seconds. Let's look at the cold biology of what happens in those 10 seconds. Right after washing, your outer layer of skin is soaked with water, acting just like a soft, wet sponge. This is its absolute most vulnerable state. The laws of physics tell us that when you violently rub those rough bath towel fibers across your wet face, it acts as invisible sandpaper. It instantly creates thousands of invisible micro tears on the surface, leading directly to massive skin barrier damage. For men, this violent friction massively triggers razor burn and redness. For women focused on skincare, that downward physical pull is literally tearing your collagen and accelerating premature aging. You pay a fortune to fight aging and inflammation, yet you hand them the weapon every single morning. In traditional Chinese daily wisdom, the skin on your face is never meant to be rubbed. Here is a thousands of years old physical biohack, the $0 pat dry method. After washing your face today, drop that terrifying bath towel. Switch to a dedicated soft cloth, or better yet, just use your bare, warm hands. No rubbing. Absolutely no pulling. Just gently press to absorb the water drops, or lightly pat the remaining moisture into your skin and let the air do the rest. Zero special techniques. Exactly zero cost. With just this one micro-physical adjustment, in less than a week, your skin can stop fighting that daily friction and regain its natural strength and bounce. You can keep relying on expensive repair serums to fix self-inflicted damage, or you can stop the harm tonight and give your body basic respect. Take back control of your biology. You might be waiting for an affiliate link right now. A magic towel to fix everything. Keep waiting. True physics doesn't come with a price tag. Show up or don't. The choice is yours. This is the No Bill Body. I will see you next time.